Okay, so css.lint.validProperties, and essentially what this setting does is it adds properties to the known properties that CSS knows, that VS Code knows about in CSS. So let me give you an example. We have two properties here that VS Code is not aware of, property and WebKit property. And if we just add them to this array, it will no longer bug you about them, right? Because it's as if you're adding these properties to the list of known CSS properties, and this is how this works. Now, this is usually you should leave this alone and empty, but if for some reason there's a property that it's on CSS's spec, on the specification, but VS Code is not aware of it yet for some reason. I'm not sure how likely that is to happen, but I imagine it wouldn't be too likely. But if it happens, or if you have for some reason any custom properties that you're using, you can just add them here and VS Code will not warn you about them. But I would leave this blank.